Okay. This one's going to be an interesting one. Size-wise, it's going to be a little bit awkward. Just going to use that for now. What background colour we're going to use for this one. Yellow green, that'll be an interesting try. Let's see how that one works. Okay. It's going to warm up. Oh, it didn't beep again this time. It's strange. It happens a lot. Now, I'm wondering if we're going to use the contrast, because we're not using the brightness. So we're going to make it considerably contrasty. And let's see how big it is, and we've got to enlarge it. So let's see what it is. Bigger Mac. So it's like the old Easy Mac. I don't know what that would be like. I think I've tried it years ago, Easy Mac, but I haven't done that for a long time. So we could just probably stick it in the corner and just put the creases of the box up against the edge, like so, and then enlarge it. It's going to be an odd size, so this will be an interesting one. So it's about an A5 that way and an A6, so this should be a fairly straightforward enlargement for this odd shape. So one way is, okay, we'll put that in, XY. Okay, so the Y, if I remember correctly, is 141, and the X has to become pretty much 200%. So this is, for an odd original like this, let's hope this comes up a treat. I'm just wondering with Cheezy Mac if they actually use real cheese, or cheese that's not like the plastic cheese, like Kraft singles and all that stuff, or the shit that they serve on McDonald's burgers, plastic cheese, which is like the Kraft, the blue wrap cheese that Kraft used to have, especially for kids. I think that's plastic cheese. Yuck. Anyway, let's have a look at that. Wow, that looks really nice. It looks really, the colours look fiery. It looks almost like flames now. I'm wondering if we're going to do something else now that we're on it. Oops, we just didn't quite, I was trying to be quick so I don't get caught up. So I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to keep the mirror image out of it for now. We're just going to make another copy. We're just going to leave it like that. I'm going to make another copy in the normal mode. So I like this. This one will come up a treat. And I've got a special treatment for it. So I better move some of the stuff out of the way while I'm at it to make this fit on the bed. This is going to be something different. It's nice and bright. I like the colours. So now we have here the second one. They're both the same, identical. So that's the second one, but we're going to do a mirror image, 2 mirror images of the same thing. And then we're going to put it all together. We're going to arrange it on the glass. So we're going to do, so we've got one mirror image, we've got that, it's on yes now. Mirror image is on, switched on. We're just going to key in 2 copies. We don't normally use this multi-copy function. Usually I accidentally put it on and when I'm meant to be doing something else, but this time we're doing it on purpose. So we're just going to print off 2 mirror images. So this demo is going to have a lot of paper used. I'm glad I put a fair amount of paper in the tray. So this is number 1. So we can just show you number 1. Whoops, and then number 2 is coming out. So they're all identical. These 2 are identical again, but they're not identical with the first two. We're just going to arrange these. It's going to be a little bit awkward, but we're just going to take these segments and we're going to put them all together. I'm just trying to think which way. We're going to do it this way because there's just not enough room. So just bear with me, this poor camera work I'm doing here, because this will be our first one we've done for these demos at home. So we're just taking the two mirrors and the two normal images, and we're just going to arrange them in such a way. It's going to be a little bit difficult. Sorry, folks. I'm a little bit fiddly. Anyway, there we have it. We'll just push it up like that. We're just going to admire it for a bit, but that's our bigger mac cheese, or whatever you call it, mirror image, 4-way mirror image. Gotta go.